As you are looking at your degree or program, or classes and e-services, scrolling through the long list of major core classes, electives, and general education requirements, it might seem a little overwhelming and can feel like a big puzzle, and even more impossible to fit into just 4 years. Major maps are detailed undergraduate 4-year course outlines that are a roadmap to help guide you on which classes you should take and approximately when you should take them. Major maps are found in the course catalog in the Degree and Program section. Let's look at the English, Literature, and Language major map as an example. Major maps are located in the top section in the degree or program information. These templates plan for graduation in 4 years, taking approximately 15 credits per semester, and include the required number of 120 credits for graduation. Major maps include recommended timing for general education courses, major courses which are required, and major courses that are electives. Listed throughout this map are recommendations for fitting in your minor coursework, so be sure you are referencing the most up-to-date version. Your final courses and timing of courses may differ from the major map. Double majoring or minoring, taking classes over the summer, taking more or less than 15 credits a semester, changing a major, or life outside of academics might impact your final course selection and timing of graduation. Some majors have multiple major maps for specific coursework, as this computer science applied computer science program does. There might also be several options within a major, such as option A or option B if you are majoring in psychology. There also could be programs that list options with and without a minor. Minors do not have their own maps. The catalog is a great reference when planning minor classes into your major program. Major maps are a tool to supplement the Interactive Degree Audit Report or DARS report. You should also consult with your academic advisor. We recommend meeting with your academic advisor at least once per semester before registration, and anytime during the semester you have questions or concerns about your coursework, course selection, or any other academic support you may need. If you find your degree or program does not have a major map in the course catalog, schedule a visit with your academic advisor or the Warrior Success Center for help developing a personalized plan. And now you know.